In terms of research and innovation, again, there's no university really can talk of progressing or getting to the global stage without research and innovation. Talking about research, I mean, we know the definition of research is creation of new knowledge, and that is really the mandate of universities, creating new knowledge. So if you're not doing research as a university, then you're not creating new knowledge, and then you are failing in your mandate. That is why when you see the ranking, research index is very key. Those products that are innovated, then they are able to get into the marketplace. The innovators are able to get wealth, and also the universities. If you look at universities abroad, probably maybe 30% of their income comes from innovations because of royalties when those products are scaled up. So that's where we need to be.
Before we go to employment, releasing an educated person is a change in itself to the society. Somebody who knows what a balanced diet is, somebody knows how to keep away from diseases, to be clean. That basic education in itself is an impact to society.